Hi, this is Ryan from rapweaverclassroom.com, and I'd like to introduce you to the Totem Stack from Joe Workman. Totem introduces a vertical animated ticker to your website that can be used to either display regular content or an RSS feed of your choosing. And so it comes in both of those flavors. You'll get 2 stacks with the purchase in order to display regular content, as is shown here on the left, or RSS content from your RSS feed, which is displayed here on the right. So let's take a look at the edit mode to see how these are set up and what our options are with each stack. To begin with, on the left we have the Totem stack that allows you to add regular content using stacks from your library. And so in this example we have 2 column stacks with images and text going down the page. And so if I jump into the Inspector HUD, we can take a look at the options available for this stack. First is the count of the amount of content available. So we're looking at 4 areas of content that are added to this stack. We can go all the way up to 25 areas. And so if I were to scroll down in the content here, you would see all these open drop stack areas where you could add more content into Totem. I'll drop that back down to the 4, and we'll continue on to the next item here, which is the number of items to show at one time. And so while you may have up to 25 different items of content, you can choose to only display a certain number at a time. And so in this case we have it set to 3, and so in the preview you will see that just 3 at a time are displayed and that they will rotate vertically in the stack. Next we have the row height, and so this is the height of each individual row, and so you can set that here, and this is in pixels. Next is the speed of the animation as it moves, and then the amount of time that passes between each transition, and so the pause interval will allow you to set that. Finally, there is a separator that is placed between each row of content, and you can define the color of that separator here with the color picker. Let's look at the RSS options here for the Totem RSS stack. This displays an RSS feed from your blog, and many of the options at first are the same. You have the number of items to show, the row height, speed, and pause interval, as well as the separator option for color. And then you have the field to place the URL of your RSS feed. And so you'll want to plug that into this field. And then you can set the number of items to display. And so 10 is displayed for this example. And then if you would like to show the description or summary of the entry, you can do so here and set the number of characters allowed to be displayed inside of the stack. If you have links inside of the stack, you can have them display in a new window, or linking to the blog title itself or the RSS entry will open a new window as well if you select that option. If you would like to show the post content, you would leave the option checked. You can also disable that, in which case it would just display the titles of each entry. If you have links in the content and you're showing that content, then you can disable those links as well if you wish with this option. You can wrap the text, bold your fonts, and also display a font size or choose a font size using the slider here. And then finally the options for font colors and hover color are available as well. And so a good amount of options there for the RSS stack, and you can see that it really displays a very nice looking vertical ticker, both for regular content and for all of your updates that you provide through a blog with an RSS feed. And so that is the Totem stack from Joe Workman.